I'll go walking out there. It's all good.
How in the world did you manage this? Oh, he's angry.
He's fighting. He's fighting. Hey man, you're getting pretty good at hanging.
There are craws out here.
I was wondering, there was a bunch of
There's an arm right here, a claw.
Yeah, there's a bunch of arms over where I was at.
Ooh, that's cool. That's good to know. I figured there would be, but I just didn't know, you know what I mean?
Damn.
We came over here and jacked your spot, Hayden. I came to jack your spot. Where at, over here on this side? Oh, over this way.
I throw it over though, so I drag over the shower if I have to.
Yeah.
Got it back.
I just got one too.
You got some bass of that algae?
Caught me a little baby bass. There's another guy fishing a little ways down from us. He just got a bass. Ooh, he's feisty. Little fella. Nice. We're all the way back at the entrance. We weren't having much luck on the way back. We've stopped a couple times and caught a couple maybe, but Hayden just got one too. Oh.
It broke it.
Dang.
That was my tie. But I tied it pretty tight.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not. It's a crappie. I'll take a crappie. Oh, he got himself all covered in gunk.
Yeah, he probably should have walked that way with it. That's a big boy.
Oh, dude. Oh, man. That's a good crappie right there.
Yeah, it is. That's a real good guy. I mean, he's a little green.
Yeah. Yeah, no joke. He decided to take a little trip into the moss fields. There it is. Dang, man. That's a lot of moss. That's a good crappie right there. I'll take that any day. That's a good one. Heck yeah, man. Now I gotta clean up this mossy mess, but nice. Got a green sunfish too. Beautiful colors. Beautiful fish. So this is the spot that we've had the most luck in all day, huh? Uh-huh. Well, I guess that's true, yeah. Yeah, I'm throwing that pile of leaves over there, man. I'm hitting that pile, or at least getting right next to it. That might work. Oh, I got some hydrilla. Dang it. There you go. Really? Oh, did you get one? Yeah, buddy.
Well, he's booking it though.
Yeah, he is.
He was fighting with, he was coming with me.
Heck yeah, that's a chunky one.
Yeah, he felt a lot smaller than he was. Because he was swimming with me.
Yeah. Heck yeah, dude.
That's a good one.
There you go, okay. Heck yeah, man. Good stuff. All right, Aaron, it's your turn. Oh, good cast. Ooh, he's digging. Daggum. Oh, doubled up. Let's go, baby. Mine's bigger.
Ah. Well, mine was faster.
Nice. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish.
A little deeper in there.
Need the pliers? Here. Grab the pliers. Oh my goodness. Alright, well you unhooked him.
I put the hook in me.
Oh, and Aaron's got one now too. He's dragging it through the muck. Oh. Mine's bigger.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
I'm fine with having a smaller.
Yeah, I got it unhooked, but it was so deep in his mouth. I was trying to get it out real slowly and he just jumped off.
Yep.
Yeah, look at that. That's some wood.
Ooh. There you go, buddy. Very nice. Heck yeah, dude. Good stuff. I feel like you're doing... Well, they're really not invasive. This is just where they live.
Oh, I thought they were invasive.
No.
I won't do it as part.
My roommate was asking me if I asked him.
No. Oh, that was a bite. Yeah, this is probably going to be the end of the creek for the day. I think me and Hayden are going to go to another little pond where we know there's bass. See if we can't catch something out there.